Hi and welcome back. Today we make our favorite fruitcake recipe. This classic Christmas dessert can't get any better. There is no Christmas dinner without it. You can find the exact amounts of the ingredients in the description below. For this amazing cake we use dried fruits like figs, dried plums, dried apricots, walnuts, we grate the zest from an orange and a lemon, then we squeeze them to get their juice. When done, we take a big bowl and we put in all the dried fruits and nuts while adding a few tablespoons of flour. We need to add the flour to be sure that the dried fruits don't stick together. We add to the mixer the butter and the sugar. We mix it for at least 2 minutes, and after that we incorporate the eggs one by one. We add the lemon and the orange juice, the zest, the rum, and we mix everything together. We add the flour and the dried fruits with the nuts and the chocolate. For baking we use a non-stick springform cake pan, which we rub with butter. We fill in the batter, we ornate on top with a few almonds, but you can use whatever you like. And we bake it at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Then we turn the oven down to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for another 80 minutes. If your oven doesn't bake evenly, then turn the cake after 1 hour. We like our fruit cake if it is stored for at least 2 or 3 days and is brushed once a day with rum. Others store it for weeks and brush it 3 or 4 times a week with alcohol. It is up to you. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, leave a like or a comment below. Thank you and see you next time. Enjoy!